Okay, hello. Welcome to book number 3 of my Hexes and Curses. Some of these are too short, which is why I'm going to do this video, which is going to have several Hexes and Curses all in one. Okay, let's see. Oh, first one is called the Curse Stones. This one is pretty simple. There's two ways this one can be done. One, you can just basically hold a stone, and type of stone, really crystal usually is an amplifier, so use it, I'd say. Take it, sit there and caress it, and think of all the negative energies. One, if it's a specific person, think of everything they've done to annoy you or make you mad or anything, or just fill it with angry emotions, and give it to them, or somehow get it in their possession. Kind of like the rune hex / rune bless, just put it on a piece of paper and give it to them somehow. But anyway, but stone, you have to really focus on everything, because they absorb this stuff, and then you have to give it to them. The other one is simple, really. Just use it as like a puppet, kind of. Think of them, and you hold it, and just focus everything at them and on them, and put the stone somewhere, and it should affect them. It's pretty simple, really. When you're done, cleanse the stone afterwards to make sure it's clean of all negative energy. That way you can use it for other things if you want to keep it. Anyway, next one is Doll Hex. This one's simply basically like voodoo. It really is. Take a bunch of candle wax and all that, melt it, and as you're melting it and forming it in the shape of a person, really, just put it in pieces of clothing or personal effects, whatever, of the target, and there you go. And then poke it with needles. Always do it in sets of 3s and 9s, never anything else. 3s and 9s, just, yeah. Next one is a breakup spell. This one is a peculiar one. I might add, this is odd. I honestly have never done it. It's just what I've got. Boil a black hen egg in your own urine. Feed half to a cat and half to a dog. And as you do it, you say this: as these two hate one another, so may hatred fall between blank and blank. And then you add the names. And you say that when you say the whole thing after each time as you feed one to a dog and one to a cat. I know adding animals into it's kind of... It doesn't hurt the animals, as far as I know, so... Yeah, it's hard to say, really. Anyway, next on is the wallet hex. Everyone's heard it's bad luck to give someone a wallet with no money in it. Basically, that's what it is. Give someone a wallet with no money in it. It's supposed to cause financial issues for them. It's really simple, and I can't tell you how many times I've actually gotten wallets with no money in it. And again, it makes sense. I don't know. The other one's called the knot hex. This one's really simple. Take 3 different colored strings and tie them together in 3 knots, and as you do, curse them as you go. Like negative energy, kind of like the stone curse. Yeah. Next one's called an egg curse. Egg hex. Write the target's name on an egg with ink or your own blood. By blood, I prick your pinky finger and use it, but yeah, I don't suggest that necessarily. And then toss the egg on their doorstep. There's no there's no saying of what it should cause, but it's just one that would cause general discord for them. The last one is called the salt and pepper hex. This one is really simple. So you go some salt and pepper on your target's clothes and say, I put salt and pepper on you. From now on, you'll be sorry, miserable, and itchy too. You don't say it out loud, otherwise they're going to be wondering why you're sprinkling salt and pepper on them. You can just say you're seasoning them. I don't know. People are going to look at you weird if you do such a thing, but then again, you can also always do it when they're not wearing the clothes. Say gym class, and no gym clothes, and they're in the shower, or it's one of those people you see, and they just annoy you, and you're at their house. Do it while they're away, and they'll close in the drawer or something. Because, yeah, even if they shake it off afterwards, it's still there, so, yeah, there you go. Anywho, I hope... Well, I don't know if those will be helpful. I don't suggest I'm doing them, as I said. All these, disclaimer, they came out of a book I've got, the Encyclopedia of 1,000 Spells. It's got a lot more curses and hexes in it. If you want to know more, or actually more spells, really anything in general, it's an awesome book. I suggest you read it. Anywho, until next time, thank you for watching, and goodbye.